Jumpy Kids!
A is for apple, red and round and sweet. B is for basketball, bounce it with your feet. C is for cat, who loves to nap and purr. D is for donut, with sprinkles and a blur. E is for elephant, big and gray and strong. F is for frog, hopping all day long. G is for guitar, strumming a happy tune. H is for house, with rooms in every room. I is for iguana, crawling on the tree. J is for jaguar, wild and fast and free. K is for koala, sleeping on a branch. L is for leaf, in green or red by chance. M is for moon, glowing in the night. N is for newspaper, black and white. O is for ostrich, running with great speed. P is for pumpkin, full of orange seeds. Q is for quail, hiding in the grass. R is for rose, so pretty when you pass. S is for seal, clapping at the zoo. T is for tomato, red and juicy too. U is for umbrella, when the raindrops fall. V is for vase, standing nice and tall. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. X is for xylophone, tapping to the beat. Y is for yarn, in yellow, pink or blue. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and true. Now we've sung our ABCs from A to Z so happily. Clap your hands and sing along, let's learn more with a happy song.
Jumpy Kids! Tap subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fun moment.